Well, good news today. I've got the throttle body and the new keys and barrel. So what I'll need to do is I'll change the keys and barrel first, and then we'll put the throttle body in with the AC unit and see if it's going to run. So to get this key changed, there's a pin in here that I need to take out, and I can get the new barrel put in. I'll just put you in pause just now because I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. So I've got the new ignition in. I'm unbothered with a spin. I don't know what's happened to it. I just popped it in there just now, but I'll need to look at that. But anyway, the main thing is I'll get this throttle body on. Get these out of there now. I think the easiest way is going to be, let me see, the easiest way is probably going to be linking up throttle cable first, put them on, put it into place, plug it in. Yeah, so I'll go and get the throttle body. Yeah, it's no easy doing things back to front. So anyway, I'll put these cables on first, as this seems to be the easiest way, and then this must be this one. That'll be the return. It's a tight one. There it goes. There's an adjustment on this as well, and I'm not sure, not 100% sure what it is, but I'll try and fathom it out. So I'll just now tighten them up just now. So I've got a wee bit of slack playing the throttle there before it turns the actual throttle body. And that's it, turning it right round. So I reckon that's pretty good. I'll just tighten these screws up, these bolts up, and that'll be that done. We'll get a spun up. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Now, that one on. That looks like that one's on. Yep. That one on. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of light to see what you're doing. Yeah. Now, this should plug into here. Click, like that. That should screw on here with that. And that. Oh, just need to find a wee screw for that. A wee 10mm somewhere. Oh, bollocks. Yeah, now. Right, so, the story so far. This is on, the ignition's in, but I need to sort this wee spring clip which is sitting in there, but it's not holding anything. I need to fathom out how that goes. I've put my gel battery in it, so ignition on, seems promising. Brake in. Wow. 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 Bloody hell. She runs. Unbelievable. She's actually running. Oh wow, how's that? Well, what I'll need to do is just get a wee spin out there, in and back, just to make sure it goes. Christ. And then once that's done, and she's running fine, I'll get her in and I'll give her a proper full service, you know, spark plugs, oil filter, belt rollers, if it has rollers. I don't know about this one. I'll just do everything on it, get it ship shape, check the brakes, check the tyres. There's a bit of life left on the tyres, a wee bit. I might change them, I'll see. If I'm going to sell it, I'll definitely change them. That back tyre's alright, loads of tread, but the front one's okay, I mean, but the back one's a wee bit skew, so I'll probably change that. I'll check the brake pads. Yeah. I'll do all that, see what she's like. These front brake pads have got quite a bit of meat left on them actually. Might get away with that. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So, I'll need to give her a wee quick check over and then a wee run just out the drive and back just to see if she's going. Back in a minute.
It's better one-on-one, no?
It's on.
Alright, hang on. Hang on, I'm recording, Taylor.
How's that? Well, I've had a good check round, it seems to be okay. I was just letting it tick over here to heat up, just to see if the coolant's getting warmer. Oh, radiator. Yep, radiators are warming up lovely. That's a good sign. What I'll do is I'll heat it right up and drop the oil out of it. And get oil in a filter. Yeah, and a spark plug, if I can get one. I'll probably have to go online and order a belt. I don't think there's anywhere local here where I can get one, so I'll order a belt and rollers and stuff like that, because it's what, 2009, and 10, 14, 15-year-old. It's probably needing a new belt, unless it's had one. I mean, it might have had one, you never know. But I'll order one anyway. Other thing I've not checked is lights, etc. Where the hell are the lights? Oh, of course the lights aren't going to work. I've got the bloody headlight off, haven't I? I know indicators, horn works. Indicators work. So there's no reason why the lights won't work, and if it is, it's probably just a bulb, so. Yeah, but they won't work just now because I've got the headlight disconnected, so it'll bugger up the whole loop. Anyway, that's it. So, the only thing I need to do just now is try and fathom out this pin. I don't know what's went wrong with it. It came out funny because I pulled it out and one bit came out and then a long bit, so I don't know. I don't understand how it goes in. I'll need to have a look online or have a look in the workshop manual, which arrived yesterday, and see what it is. And yeah, seems to be running fine. And thanks to Wes, who cut my new barrel set of keys. Done the module here, got it all programmed to match up with these keys. I've got the red key here for it as well, the orange key I should say. And I also did the box, the lock for the box, so I can open and shut the box and lock it now, which is awesome. So yeah, so that's about it for today. I'm not going to get much more done today. And it's blowing a gale out here as well. It's really bad. I'm pretty sheltered under here, but I'll not get much. Anyway, so that's it for today. The next thing I'll be getting some oil, giving it a service, as far as the scooter goes. And I'm down to take it for a wee test run. And I'll be getting it MOT'd as well. Anyway, that's it for just now, and I'll catch you all later. See ya.